Hello students, welcome to my channel. So in the last video we have seen the graphical way of representing the pair of linear equations and we obtained solutions using graphical method. So now that graphical method is not so convenient for finding the integral values like root 2, root 3 and all those, and hence we are going with the next method, that is substitution method. This substitution method is one of the algebraic method for finding the solution of a pair of linear equation. So in general we will have pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. So these are the two pair of linear equations. So here we will be solving these two pair of linear equations by substituting values. Right? So first we will obtain the value of x, okay, and this after getting this x value we will substitute the value of x in y so that we will get the x and y values. Okay, so let us understand this by taking an example. Now for this substitution method let us consider an example 7x minus 15y is equals to 2 and x plus 2y is equals to 3. So the first step is to name these equations as 1 and 2. Okay, the first step is name the equations 1 and 2. After naming the equations, consider any one of the equation. So I am considering equation number 1. So equation number 1, that is 7x minus 15y is equals to 2. Get the value of either x or y. Okay, then it will become 7x is equals to 2. This minus 15y I am shifting that side, will become plus 15y. Okay, and from that x will be equals to 2 plus 15y by 7. So we got this as x value. Okay, this we got it from the first equation. So this x value should be substituted in the second equation. Substituting x value in second equation. Okay, then we will get as, in the place of x I am writing it as 2 plus 15y by 7 plus 2y is equals to 3. So whenever we have a by b in between plus or minus, then we will go for LCM. So here the LCM is 7. Okay, 7 is the LCM. So we have 2 plus 15y. Here we have to multiply with 7. 7 2s is 14y is equals to 3. Now shift this y 7 that side, it will become 2 plus 15 plus 14 is 29y is equals to 21. So now if I shift this 2 that side, it will become 29y is equals to 21 minus 2. Then 29y is equals to 19. From that y is equals to 19 by 29. So this is the value of y. So we got the y value by substituting the x value in the second equation. Now substitute this y value in this x to get the x value. That is x is equals to 2 plus 15 into 19 by 29 by 7. Okay. So from this x will be equals to, here you will have the LCM as 29, right? 29 2s is how much? 2 into 29, let us write it as it is, 2 into 29 plus 15 into 19 by 7. Then this will become 29 into 2 is 2 9s is 18, 2 2s 4, 58. So 58 plus 15 19s, 15 into 19. 15 9s is 135, 15 1s is 15, 8, 285. 285. Then this will be multiplied with this. So 29 into 7. 7 9 63, 7 2 is 14, 20. 203. So then x will become 285 plus 58. 13, 8, 9, 14. 343. So therefore x value is 343 by 203. So this is how we find the values of x and y by using substitution method. Now let us solve exercise 3.3 problems of this pair of linear equations in two variables. That is, the first question is solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. Okay, so the equations are x plus y is equals to 14 and x minus y is equals to 4. So first let us consider the equations. Given equations are x plus y is equals to 14, this is the first equation, and x minus y is equals to 4, this is the second equation. Okay, consider any one of the equation. So I am considering equation number 1. Consider equation number 1, then it will become x plus y is equals to 14. From that get x value, x is equals to 14 minus y. So this value should be substituted in the second equation. So this is very important. We are considering the first equation. So this equation's x value should be substituted in the second equation. If I consider the second equation, then the value of x should be substituted in the first equation. So from this, substituting x value in second equation. Okay, so what we have in the place of x now? 14 minus y is equals to 4. From that 14 minus 2y is equals to 4. So after that we will get it as, I am shifting this 14 that side, then I am left out with minus 2y is equals to 4 minus 14. So minus 2y is equals to minus 10. Yes, so minus cancel, y is equals to 2 1s, 2 5s cancel. So we got y value as 5. So now after getting the y value, substitute this y value in this x. Okay, y is equals to 5 in, x is equals to 14 minus y. Then we will get x is equals to 14 minus 5, which is equals to 9. So therefore the values of x is equals to 9 and y is equals to 5. So therefore the values of x and y are 9 and 5. This is by substitution method. Now the second problem of this exercise, that is s minus t is equals to 3, s by 3 plus t by 2 is equals to 6. So first let us consider the given equations. Okay, that is s minus t is equals to 3. This is the first equation. Okay, s by 3 plus t by 2 is equals to 6. This is the second equation. Okay, now our first step is consider any one of the equation. So I am considering the first equation. From that s minus t is equals to 3, s is equals to 3 plus t. Okay, 3 minus, if you are shifting that, it will become plus t. Okay, so now this value should be substituted in the s is equals to 3 plus t should be substituted in second equation. Okay, why in second equation? Because we have considered the first equation, right? So now then it will become, in the place of s I am writing it as t plus 3 by 3 plus t by 2 is equals to 6. Again a by b, in between I have a plus. If I have a plus or minus, I should go for LCM. So therefore the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Then I will getting it as 2 into t plus 3 plus 3 into t is equals to 6. Now 6 should be shifted that side and simultaneously I am multiplying it with this. 2 into 2 is 2t, 3 2s is 6 plus 3t is equals to 6 6 is 36. Now 2t plus 3t will become 5t, which is equals to 36 minus 6. I have shifted this term that side. Then it will become 5t is equals to 30. From that t will be equals to 30 by 5, 5 ones, 5 6 is 30. So therefore the value of t is 6. Now after getting the value of t, we should substitute it back here, right? Substituting, then we will get s is equals to 3 plus t, s is equals to 3 plus 6, s is equals to 9. So therefore we can conclude that s value is 9 and t value is 6. So this is the solution for this by using substitution method. Now the third problem of this exercise 3.3, that is 3x minus y is equals to 3, 9x minus 3y is equals to 9. So first consider the equations. 3x minus y is equals to 3 as the first equation, 9x minus 3y is equals to 9 as the second equation. So from consider the first equation. 3x minus y is equals to 3. From this, shift this y term that side, it will become 3x is equals to 3 plus y. From that, x will be equals to 3 plus y by 3. Okay, so this x value should be substituted in which equation? Second equation. Then it will become 9 into 3 plus y by 3 minus 3y is equals to 9. So you can cancel it, 3 ones, 3 threes. Then you have 3 into 3 plus y minus 3y is equals to 9. So 3 threes is 9 plus 3 into y is 3y minus 3y is equals to 9. So these two gets cancelled. I am having 9 is equals to 9. So therefore when I get like this is true. These are true solution because it will have, these two equations have infinitely many solutions. This is possible because they have infinitely many solutions. As these two linear equations have many solutions, we got it as 9 is equals to 9. Now the fourth problem of this exercise, that is 0.2x plus 0.3y is equals to 1.3, 0.4x plus 0.5y is equals to 2.3. So first let us write this as 2 by 10x plus 3 by 10y is equals to 13 by 10. Next equation will become 4 by 10x plus 5 by 10y is equals to 23 by 10. So I have everything in the denominator as 10. So let us multiply these equations by 10. Okay, both equations are multiplying 1 and 2 by 10, right? Then the equations will be 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. Okay, this is as A, and 4x plus 5y is equals to 23. This is as B. So now the A and B are the changed equations after multiplying it with the 10. So let us consider them. From that A, then I will be getting it as 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. I have considered the same equation, 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. From this get the x value, that is 2x is equals to 13 minus 3y. From that x is equals to 13 minus 3y by 2. Okay, so this is the x value. This x value should be substituted in the second equation, that is B. So then it will become 4 into 13 minus 3y by 2 plus 5y is equals to 23. 2 ones, 2 twos. Then you are having 2 into 13 minus 3y plus 5y is equals to 23. 13 twos are 26, 3 twos are 6y plus 5y is equals to 23. Shift this constant term that side. I have minus y is equals to 23 minus 26. So minus y is equals to minus 3. So from that y will be equals to 3. So now I got y value as 3. Now let us find out the x by substituting this in the place of y. X is equals to 13 minus 3 into, I am substituting it in the place of y. Then 3 into, I am replacing it with 3. Okay, by 2. Then it will become x is equals to 13 minus 3 threes is 9 by 2. So 13 minus 3 is 4 by 2, that is 2 ones, 2 twos. So therefore x is equals to 2. Therefore the solutions of this equation are x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. X is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3 are the solutions for this pair of linear equations. Now the fifth problem of this exercise 3.3, that is root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 0, root 3x minus root 8y is equals to 0. So first let us consider the equations, that is root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 0. Let us name this as first equation, and root 3x minus root 8y is equals to 0 as second equation. Now from the first equation we will write it as root 2x is equals to plus root 3y, shift it to the right hand side, it will become minus root 3y. From that x will be equals to minus root 3 by root 2 into y. Okay, this is the x value. Let us substitute this x value in the second equation. X is equals to minus root 3 by root 2y in second equation. Then it will become root 3 into minus root 3 by root 2 y minus root 8y is equals to 0. So here if you can see properly, we have root 3 into root 3. Root a into root a will become, we have root a into root a will become a. Yes, because we will get it as square root a gets cancelled, we are left with a. So then it will become minus 3y by root 2 minus root 8y is equals to 0. So now LCM again, root 2 will be the LCM. So minus 3y minus root 8 into root 2 into y is equals to 0. Root a into root b will become root ab. So minus 3y minus 8 2 is 16, y is equals to 0. Okay. Now 0 into anything will become 0. So from this what you will get? Minus 3y minus root 16y is equals to 0. Right? Y is equals to 0. So then we got it as minus 7y is equals to 0. From that y is equals to 0 by minus 7. So therefore y is equals to 0. Okay. So if y is equal to 0, substitute it here. Then x is will be equals to minus root 3 by 2 root 2 into 0. Anything into 0 will become 0. So therefore x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0 are the equations, are the solutions for this equations. Now the sixth bit of first problem, that is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equals to minus 2. X by 3 plus y by 2 is equals to 13 by 6. So they are in the form of a by b. Let us take the LCM and we will make a proper equation. So first consider the first equation, that is 3x minus 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equals to minus 2. Here if you take the LCM, 3 2s is 6. So 3 3s is 9x minus 5 2s is 10y is equals to minus 2. Shift the 6 that side, 9x minus 10y is equals to minus 12. This is the changed equation now, right? Similarly from the second one, what you can take, x by 3 plus y by 2 is equals to 13 by 6. The same way, take the LCM here, 6 is the LCM, right? 2x plus 3y is equals to 13 by 6. 6 and 6 gets cancelled. So 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. Okay, this is another equation number 2. Let us name this as equation number 1 and equation number 2. So after taking the LCM, we got the proper equations. Now let us take second equation, right? Consider second equation. From that let us get the x value. Consider second equation, that is 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. 2x is equals to 13 minus 3y. X is equals to 13 minus 3y by 2. Okay, this means this value should be substituted in the first equation, right? Then we will get it as 9 into 13 minus 3y by 2 minus 10y is equals to minus 12. So we will get it as 13 9s is how much? 117 minus 9 3s is 27y minus 20y by 2 is equals to minus 12. Shift this to that side and you have these two. So minus 47y is equals to minus 24 minus 117. So from this minus 47 y is equals to, if I add these two, I will be getting 7 plus 4 is 11, 2, 3, 4, 141 by, from this y will be equals to minus 141 by minus 47, these two get, so 47 ones is 47, 47 threes is 141, 1, 3 to 4 is 12, that means 14, 141, so y is equals to 3, right? So now we have to substitute this in this x value, then it will become x is equals to 13 minus 3 into 3 by 2, which is equals to 13 minus 9 by 2, this is 4 by 2, 2 ones 2 twos, this implies x will be 2. So therefore x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3.